Oh, good morning.
Good morning, Katie.
It was harder to wake up today. 아이고 is like, how do you say 아이고?
It's the 할아버지 word for hello.
Yeah, when you start saying it, that means you've kind of aged.
Yeah. 아이고 is just like that default word when you're tired.
No, it's no longer when you're tired. It's every time you sit down and sit up. So it'll be like, I was sitting down for lunch, I was, 아이고. And then when you get up, 아이고. Yeah, 좋은 아침입니다. I'm gonna quickly whip up some jajang sauce and mix it with rice and have jajangbap. How I can do that for breakfast?
Yeah, how you can do that?
Because I have a secret sauce. Daniel, come over here. Let me show you the sauce. This is the 백종원's 만능 jajang sauce. Go ready-made jajang sauce, and all you need is just fry it up and add some spring onions and onions I prepared the night before. Do you want some coffee in the morning? Last week, we uploaded our first episode of Breakfast Chit-Chat, and the response was so positive. We were super encouraged and also surprised by all the positive response. And I think a lot of girls shared their stories and their mom stories, so it was really touching and it felt so genuine. So thank you.
How come your voice gets softer and softer and softer? Thank you.
It's because it's the morning and my voice is a little bit under the weather. I can't open my eyes 100%.
Katie, do you have... Oh, I'm sorry.
Daniel!
I can't see the visual depth when I'm looking at the camera.
What do you want?
Do you have the natural Singapore? Do you have the natural Singapore?
No, I don't. Singapore is the double eyelids. And I'm a single eyelid, so a lot of Korean people get the surgery to have it double.
Try. All the scary eyes. This is true Singapore eyes.
That's it? It's not.
I know, I'm just kidding, Katie.
Alright, so I'm gonna whip up some oil. Just add some spring onions. This is 1 forearm length pieces. And we just want to infuse the oil. And the best thing about this sauce is that you don't have to fry this sauce in oil. They've already did it. It's come out ready and all prepared. Half cup in. And then add 6 tablespoons of water. This is 1 full onion. Add them all in. Wow! So this one has minced pork in it. So if you're a Muslim, try the other product that we have. And we're gonna wait until the onions get soft. So with this one bottle, you can have approximately 5 or 6 portions. Breakfast has no rule. It's all about what you want to have. So
Amen.
some fresh rice and some jajang sauce ready.
Wow. All you need is a nice little egg.
커피가 어디 갔냐? This is your natural Libra coffee. It's not egg inside.
What did you say?
Natural.
You mean natural Libre?
Oh, this is a drip bag.
And look at the packaging. So cute, no?
I love it. It's so cool. 국자로 해야 돼 이거. We don't have those thingy.
You don't have a pretty little...
Oh, is this the one in Mangwon-dong?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna go visit.
This one is not the one from Mangwon-dong.
Actually, I'm going to Mangwon-dong, and there's another coffee place that you like in Mangwon-dong, so I'll check it out and enjoy coffee by myself.
This guy has won all the awards in Korea for the coffee sommelier. Or what is that the word?
Sommelier, maybe. Ta-da! If I could add something on here, I would make egg soup next to it too.
Egg soup.
Yeah, but right now I have no time.
And then be late for work.
와, 맛있겠다. Okay, so you know this sauce is actually the same sauce that they use in Hong Kong banjam, owned by Baekjongwon.
They have some stores in the US too.
Oh, really? Actually, I think I saw it in LA. Tastes exactly like the restaurant. So a lot of you guys asked about living space in Seoul, and we actually have a video of us checking out a new office tail in Seoul. Oh, here we go. Daniel. And there's such a cozy bed. Look at it.
아니에요. 이거하고 텔레비전은? 그럼
이거는. 이거는 주는 거예요?
같이 들어오나요?
다 있어요. 이거 텔레비전 다 있어요.
That's the expensive rice cooker.
그 밑에는 이제 빨래거리.
빨래거리가 어디 있어요? 오, 좋다 이거.
이렇게?
자리를 최소화할 수 있네.
네.
화장실도 엄청 예뻐.
진짜 화장실이 이렇게 돼 있어야 돼요.
이게 냉장고가 여기 있구나.
삼성 거예요. 이거는 확실하게 알아야 돼요. 왜냐면 지금 당신이 삼성만 썼는데
우리 그런 경우 있었어요.
여기 있는 신발 넣는 통. 신발천도 엄청 크네. 이것도 있는.
요거는 이제 입구에
잠깐만, 이렇게 가면은 이렇게 있어요. 와,
그러니까
이거는 여자들이 진짜 좋아하겠다.
그리고 거의 다 나갔어요.
이쪽은요? 저도 이게
슬라이딩 도어도 있고.
요거는 없어져요. 안 해도 되고 해도 되고.
이건 그럼 추가로 옵션으로. And then back. Are we back? So I live in one of those typical office towns, and it cost me. I put a key deposit of $20,000 US dollars.
You get that back at the end of your rent.
And then monthly I pay around $600.
Yeah.
So there's also another system called 전세, and for 전세 you pay almost 80% to 100% of the full house price, and there's no monthly fee or very minimum fee.
Let's say that office tower we just looked at, that one actually costs $200,000. So then you'll pay, instead of paying monthly rent, you'll have to pay them $180,000 up front. A lot of people take a loan, and then the cost of the loan is less than the monthly payment that you would normally pay. So that's why people do it.
There's an app called Notion that I started using at work. It's a task management tool, and I found it really cool, and it's really helping me a lot. It's like Evernote, but upgraded version and very easy to navigate, and you can do nesting. So that was really awesome. So yeah, I recommended it to Daniel. He started using it. So if you guys are into like project management tools or like productivity management things, check it out. It's good. The coffee smells so good.
Katie, you're not a coffee drinker. You're gonna be bouncing off the walls.
I think if it's in the morning, it's okay.
Oh, so nice.
Very good. Yeah, if you guys saw our Instagram stories, we did a rock climbing indoor. Oh, he said bouldering? Was it?
Katie, do you think you can climb a lot? Yeah. Oh, good.
그럼 일단 저거 잡아. 뭐야?
못 잡아요.
잡아봐요.
잡아봐.
저 오른쪽 부분 잡아. 오른쪽 부분은 감싸서 잡아봐. 감싸서.
뭐 떨어질 것 같은데요?
잡아봐요.
잡아봐.
잘.
오, 나이스.
그 다음에 위에 놓아.
위에.
그거 말고 그거 말고. 이상하게 그냥 잡아. 오른발 여기. 오른발 봐.
와.
왼발 저 검색.
와. 거기.
아야 그냥 가요. 그냥. 자, 쉬고 왼발.
Just put your leg up on top. And your bottom one. And start. There you go. Announcement까지 해야 돼. 자, 오른쪽, 이쪽.
아니 손부터 가봐요.
아, 손부터.
자,
Fail.
오른발. 오른발. 오른발 여기 가요. 오른발. 왼발.
할머니 같다. 좀 쿨하게 가.
자, 여기까지만 가고 10번까지만 가요.
3 days I couldn't like lift up my arm.
Katie, you were like screaming in there, like trying to grab one of the holds.
No, that's where my energy comes from. So yeah. You want to go there every week, right?
Yeah, I want to try. I want to try it in the week. No.
I saw Daniel started to suddenly watch so many rock climbing videos on Netflix, like hardcore competition in Sweden.
Oh my gosh. There's a documentary called The Dawn Wall. Oh, I watched that and I was just like, oh, so moved. Gosh, the human spirit, so beautiful at times. Oh yeah, Katie, you should show the new bag that you just finished.
You put this, my pencil case in, my work card.
Yeah, Katie
it does
just
fit quite a lot.
Katie, I think this is one of the best ones that you've done so far.
Daniel, show them the inside. We can't open it?
Yeah, I think it's guy proof. Oh, there it goes. What's on the interior? Is this suede?
So there's very different types of quality of leather. Some very good quality leathers can get much more expensive, but this is more in the lower range actually. But I'm happy. It's durable and it does its job. So there's 2 ways to hold this bag. You can hold it like this. Is the background music going on? Are you gonna do it like a beauty YouTuber for me? And then you can hold it up like this and become shorter. Yeah.
Katie, I'm so happy you're not the type that likes all this Gucci and all the crazy brands.
Who says I don't like? Who says I don't like? Don't make presumptuous assumptions. 맞나?
Presumptions, assumptions.
Don't make
Don't make the
presumptions
presumptions,
about me.
assumptions. Hey.